Hello, Assalamu alaikum dear students. In this lecture, I will discuss about how to build new test material studio. So for that, we need some informations like crystal structures, space group of material, and lattice parameter, atomic positions. First of all, you will open a atomistic sheet in material studio. After that, you need to build. After that, we will go to build option. Here we have a crystal option. In crystal, we can click on build options. So when we click on build crystal, in this we get this type of interface, in which our first thing is the space group. In space groups, group its nature, the space group of the material, and lattice parameters. Here we will put lattice parameters like length in the A directions, B direction, C direction, alpha angles of the cube. So here I take to create silicon material. For silicon, we have a space group of with fd.tm, and the latest values of the silicon is 5.146. Sorry, it's 5.431. So due to this space group symmetry, the lattice parameter are equals with the 90 angles, and when we click on build option, we get this slab of the pure silicon. See, after clicking on add atoms, we need which atom you want to put in. From here, we click on the periodic table. We need silicon, so that is why we click on silicon, and after that, this silicon needs to put its value. Always of atomic position is 000. So that is why we will make it to 000, and then clicking on option, we get this structure of the PLCD. See here, by clicking on order step 2. So this is the structure of the silicon unit cell. So by that, you can build new crystals through material studio. For that, we need to know about crystal structure, space group, lattice parameter, and atomic positions. Okay, so by that, thank you so much. If anyone have any questions, please contact me.